Hey everyone, welcome to Affinity Tutorials Hub, where we help you design smarter and create better. If you're a beginner in creativity or graphic design, or maybe someone who's tired of juggling multiple design software, if you've been frustrated by paid tools or just curious to know what Affinity by Canva really is, then this video is made just for you. Canva has just launched the brand new Affinity by Canva, a professional-grade design suite that's turning heads everywhere. And guess what? It's completely free forever. Not just that, this one single platform now gives you access to different editing tools for vector design, photo editing, and layout creation, all in one place, and all for free. In this video, I'll walk you through what's new in this version, how it's different from the older Affinity software, how you can install and integrate it with your Canva account. So stay tuned till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly why every designer is talking about Affinity by Canva. Canva recently relaunched Affinity as a complete creative platform built for professionals, merging the power of Affinity Designer, Photo, and Publisher into a single app. Canva isn't just for beginners anymore, it's stepping into the professional design space, competing directly with Adobe. Now, let's talk about how this version is different from the old Affinity apps. Previously, we had three separate software programs: Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher, all developed by Serif. You had to install them individually. In this new version, Canva has merged them into one single ecosystem. You can move from vector to pixel to layout instantly. Getting started is super simple. Just go to affinity.studio or search Affinity by Canva on Google. Sign up is needed to download. You can download it for Windows or Mac OS, your device optimized option, and then downloading will start. Now open it after installing and sign in using your Canva account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in seconds. Now let's dive into the new Affinity by Canva workspace, which is one of the most exciting parts of this platform. The app comes with three main workspaces that you can switch between seamlessly. Vector mode. This is where you create logos, icons, illustrations, and UI designs, perfect for scalable graphics, meaning your designs won't lose quality no matter how much you resize them. You get access to advanced vector tools like pen, shape, curves, and snapping grids, all in one place. Pixel mode. This workspace is for photo editing, retouching, digital painting, and compositing. You can remove backgrounds, correct colors, apply filters, and work on high-resolution images. It's perfect for photographers, digital artists, and social media creators who want professional editing without Photoshop. Layout mode. Here you can design magazines, brochures, books, posters, and other print materials. You can add text, images, and graphics with full control over alignment, spacing, and layers. Just like Adobe InDesign, great for marketers, publishers, and anyone creating print-ready or professional documents. And that's not all. Canva has also added an AI-powered feature section inside Affinity. With AI, you can automatically remove backgrounds from images, get smart color suggestions and palette ideas, resize designs automatically for different platforms, even generate AI content ideas for faster creative work. This makes the new Affinity by Canva not just a design tool, but a complete creative assistant. And that's your quick overview of the new Affinity by Canva 2025, a powerful, unified, and free creative suite that's changing how designers work. In upcoming videos, I'll show you step-by-step tutorials on how to use every feature, from the vector workspace to AI-powered design tricks. So if you want to master Affinity by Canva, make sure to subscribe to Affinity Tutorials Hub, tap the bell, and never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video.